This Coldwell Banker Reehl Properties Incorporated property video is presented by Michael Dorset. Welcome to 3831 Kendall Brook Drive. This stunning 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence exudes refined elegance and modern convenience. Step inside to discover a captivating open and split floor plan, seamlessly blending spacious living areas with contemporary charm. The large kitchen, complete with a breakfast bar, invites culinary creativity and casual gatherings. Luxurious touches abound throughout the home, from the gleaming tile and LVP flooring to the expansive foyer that sets the stage for grand entrances. Unwind and rejuvenate in the tranquil primary suite, featuring a dual vanity, luxurious soaking tub, separate shower, and a generous walk-in closet. Step outside to the covered back porch, an idyllic retreat for alfresco dining or quiet moments amidst nature's embrace. The private fence lot provides a secure haven for outdoor play and relaxation. This exceptional property qualifies for USDA financing, making it even more attainable for qualified buyers to realize their dreams of homeownership. With its impeccable design, thoughtful amenities, and serene setting, this residence offers a lifestyle of comfort and style. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a short drive to ATC Mobile and other nearby amenities. Don't miss your chance to call 3831 Kendall Brook Drive home. All information provided is deemed reliable but not guaranteed. Buyer or buyer's agent to verify all information. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Dorset at 251-463-6682.